I'm a top nigga, so you know I need a top bitch. And I'm finna go to work like I'm a locksmith. I'm coming back with the bands non-stop, bitch. Anything that I sell is all profit. Bop, bop, we just hit again, it's time to triple up. These niggas broke as fuck in their pockets, they only got dust. I'm the chosen one, all of these bands is falling in my hands. And I'm cooler than a bitch, something like a fan. I be bopping all the time cause I know I can. Every time I pull it out, they be like, damn. And I'm smoking out the pound, you smoking grams. Fuck boy, always getting taxed like Uncle Sam. Bad getting music, if you got it, then listen to it. Your rap sound capping, on God, I can't listen to it. I be spinning facts like a nigga with a missing tooth. If you still wear a 10K, I can't listen to you. Top nigga, bitch, and your nigga in last place. Got the scoons rolling, everybody tryna campaign. And I can't play, I ain't doing the buzz down. And I just hit for the baggage, just touchdown. I'm a top nigga, so you know I need a top bitch. And I'm finna go to work like I'm a locksmith. I'm coming back with the bands non-stop, bitch.